Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hop me get to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I promised consistency. And I'm trying to stick to my word. It has been a few days since I uploaded. Me and Josiah did the Oreo 4s or white Oreo 4 video review. But I am right back at it, man. And I'm not gonna drag this video like suspenseful, like, whoa, what is he opening? You're gonna see it in the thumbnail. So we are here to talk about the Nike Air Force One Low, the Supreme collab. And I literally just cracked the box, and that's why this video is kind of impromptu. I wasn't this box has been sitting here since June 25th. It's almost mid-July. It's just been sitting in the office, and I never unboxed it. And I'm only really doing an no longer an unboxing, but a review. I haven't looked at the sneaker. I unboxed it, and I was like, damn, I should make a video out of this. So I'm doing the video because I want to compare and contrast between the Supreme Air Force One and my Colin Kaepernick Air Force One. Now, this Colin Kaepernick Air Force One is the best Air Force One I've ever touched in my life. The quality, I'm saying, is the best I've ever touched. You can put in the comment section down below the best quality Air Force One there is. It has nothing to do with me. The best one that I've ever felt, the best quality, is this premium thick cut leather is amazing. And this was a must-have for me. I had to do everything in my power to make sure that I got this sneaker right here. And I'm so glad that I do have it. Still haven't worn it yet, but I had to have it, and I'm glad that I do have it. The quality on this sneaker is second to none. At least that's what I'm, until I open this box. I want to know if this Air Force One, the Supreme Air Force One, is strictly just a hype thing. Like, they can stamp their logo on anything and people will buy it. Or if the quality is any different. They didn't go up on the price, which I do love. That's the only reason I went for it. Let me just stop rambling and get into the review. But like I said, I've never personally taken an L on Supreme. I don't buy things from Supreme. I've only went 5 or 6 times. I got this beanie. I just got the Pikachu, whatever the hell that box logo t-shirt. I got some other t-shirts, like 2 or 3 t-shirts in the closet. I got the teddy bear a couple years ago, some other things. So I've only went 5 or 6 times, and I've hit every time. All manual from my cell phone. And I've been lucky enough to hit, but Supreme to me is overpriced and overhyped, so I only go for things that I really want, like the Mary J. Blige tee, this box logo thing, this beanie, and these sneakers. I haven't worn an all-white Air Force One Low in over 15 years, at least 15 years. But I'm old enough to remember when Air Force One Lows was like $75. I'm just saying. Now I think Lows retail for $100. But anyway, so got Air Force One Low / Supreme, size 11, white on the box logo there. I'll let you guys read that. There is no suggested retail price on the box, but it was $100. You do have this high gloss box, all black, and I think you do have a couple box logos. You got the one right there on the front, and then you got another one on the back. I don't know how far into the video we are, but I am talking too much. So, you got double white paper. The top layer has Nike Supreme in white. So it's white on white with that as well. So you can barely see it. And it's it's literally your traditional all white Air Force One. There's no difference outside of, now the sunlight is coming through the window. You do get these spare laces. Let me see if I can get those to focus. That says Supreme right there, all all over. I would never throw anything like that in my sneakers, but that's just me personally. I am too old for that. Nothing else in the box, and I'll get a little closer and try to close these blinds so you can get, because this all white is gonna wash out. So let me try to close these blinds. You get a close-up of this ugliness. Hopefully you'll be able to see this, but it may be difficult. Either way, if you know what an all white Air Force One looks like in the low top version, that's what it is. Even if it's washed out a little bit, that's all you get. Now I'll get a little closer. Now this box logo here feels like it's literally just stamped on there. That doesn't feel very premium at all. Feels like, honestly, you could peel it off. I don't know if you can or not, but all the rest of this is just your traditional all white Air Force One low. I'm not gonna make this video long at all. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. I don't think that there's, I thought I seen something in there. I'm about to say somebody tried my sneakers on. You do have your Supreme branding box logo in the insole down there with Nike Air branding in the size, and that's it. Oh, you do it. Let me not shortchange them on what they, you know, the little features. Let's see if that'll zoom in. Under the Dubray, it does have the Air Force One, and it does have Supreme really, really small embossed in the Dubray. That's dope. I can accept that. I can accept that. Now, quality-wise, is it anything like the Colin Kaepernick? No, not even close. I don't know if this feels like a traditional Air Force One, as far as quality, but it's not that thick cut leather that, you know what I'm saying, that Colin Kaepernick has, at all. I would think it's closer to traditional. I don't know. But it's not poor quality, but nothing special. Now, oh wow, look at the separation on this. Oh man, hopefully this will focus in. I need y'all to see this. Look at the separation of the midsole, and I don't know if it'll pick up right here. Look at the separation. That's separation between the midsole and the outsole. I mean the uppers and the midsole, excuse me. That's separation. Like, you know how they're supposed to glue the uppers to the midsole? There's a gap all the way down. All the way down. Wow. And it's all the way around the uppers. This is a shoddy glue job. You know what I think that is? I don't think it's missing. I think it's excessive glue. You're not going to be able to pick this up on my camera. But all the way around, I think they put too much glue and it's spacing out in between the uppers and the midsole. Unacceptable, man. Now, hey, it's a $100 sneaker. And honestly, like I said, I haven't worn an Air Force One, all white Air Force One low in 15 plus years. And if you're gonna wear an all white for the summer, why not have a Supreme one just for a little you know, some little added spice to your Air Force Ones. But if I didn't have it, I didn't have it. I only bought it because I had an opportunity. They kept saying it was gonna be a little surprise restock or whatever on Supreme's website, and I got right through. Got right through and paid and checked out, just like I always do. So I'm happy to have it. I'm not happy about this left sneaker and the quality, but you know, nobody will be able to see that when you're walking around on them if I keep these at all. Wow, that glue is killing me. That's blowing mine. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos, man. This is just me trying to get back in the flow of things. I apologize about the camera quality. It's an all white sneaker. The sunlight is gonna blow it out. But I just wanted to compare. That's all this video is about, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. You know, is it Hype Beast? Is it fire? Is it cheeks? OVE!